Well, good day, all of my clients and friends. It is time for the 2022 tax season when we prepare your income taxes for the IRS and for the state. And we are preparing income taxes for income earned in year 2022. And it is calendar year 2023. So welcome. It's time for us to get started. I want to go over a few dates with you so that you know what's going on. We'll do tax season this year as we have done the last 3 years, where all of the services are virtual or online, except for 3 in-person appointment days in the city of Tracy and 1 day when I stop by my elderly clients to pick up your paperwork. So we may do a few things different, but for the most part, we're going to follow that same process that we've always followed. So I'm going to go over a couple of dates with you so that we all can know what's going on. All right, so here on my website, um, which is where you'll go to make any appointments that you may need. WellDoneBizServices.com is that web address. Um, so on this page, it tells you to book your appointment online today for the 2022 year 2022 tax season. Here are the service dates. IRS tax season, according to IRS, is January 23rd through April 18th. That means all taxes are due by the 18th. Of course, we don't plan to work all the way into the 18th. We plan to finish everything by the 15th because we just don't like to work until the deadline. All right, we like to get things completed. So the tax portal where you will upload your tax documents will open on January 26th. I want to reiterate that please, 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 please do not email your tax documents to me and do not send them to me via text message. Please either upload them to the portal, send them to me by fax, or you can send copies by mail, although I don't recommend it. But those are your options. So the tax portal will open. You'll get another message from me with that tax portal. Will open on January 26th, where you can start uploading your documents. I'll start taking appointments as of January 27th, and you can actually start making those appointments now. The appointments are up to date. Just go online and come here to the website and make your appointments. The in-person days, and those appointments, let me go back to this. Those appointments, those are for phone calls, video calls, and in-person dates. If you want to connect with me, if you want to talk to me, those all require appointments, okay? You can email or text me anytime you want. I'll respond at my availability. But if you actually want to talk, or if you actually want a video call, those all require appointments. So that's where you can start making your appointments today. And I'll start taking appointments, meaning the first day of appointments is Friday, January 27th, which is this weekend. In person, and let me just tell you, I have no appointments on this Saturday. I have lots of other wonderful things going on in my life and with business, so there's lots of days when I won't be doing taxes. So please go ahead and take a look at those as soon as possible so you can get a date that works for you. All right, in-person tax appointments. There are 3 a year, 3 a tax season. They are all in Tracy. So the 2 Saturdays I'm currently planning to have tax appointments is February 11th and March 18th. And then Friday, April 7th. Friday, April 7th is also the last day to get all your documents to me for on-time tax filing. If I don't have everything that's needed by April 7th, we'll most likely need to file an extension for you. Okay, all appointments are in Tracy at the same location as last year, which I'll provide for you again. I won't provide it to the general public. I'll provide it to you one-on-one via email or something like that, or text message. All right. Senior tax pickup day, when I will be going around to my seniors, is Friday, March 3rd. My seniors know who you are. You're all in Oakland. All right, all my seniors are in Oakland. March 3rd is the day for that. And again, the last day to submit your documents is April the 7th. The options for getting your tax documents to me are work with me online via Intuit link, not email. Intuit link. If you don't like Intuit link, we can work via through box.com. Just let me know. I think it will be harder for you to work with me through box.com because everyone still needs to do all of the engagement letter sign the engagement letter, and fill out the questionnaire. But we can do it through Box. We can do it through Intuit Link. Intuit Link is preferred, but not through email and not through text. We can exchange documents by fax. You can do a quick drop-off on one of those 3 tax days. Drop-off appointments have typically been 10 minutes. I'm stretching them out to 15 minutes because most of the time they end up going longer. So 15 minutes for just a drop-off. That's a time for you to drop off and say a few words to me. Please drop off. I really would appreciate if you drop off copies and not the originals, so that I don't have to mail your originals back to you at your expense. All right. And then the other option is to send them to me by mail. Please send copies, not your originals, to me by mail. I suggest you do tracking and signature upon delivery. All right. Okay, so that's that. You can book an appointment with me online. You can book an appointment online, which is where you will make all of your appointments with me is online. All right. If making an appointment online is a challenge, I can assist you with that. However, it will significantly slow down the process if you want to talk to me about your appointment time. It will significantly slow down the process. But if that's how you like to do it, you can send me an email or text message, and I can set the appointment up for you. Again, it is when I'm available to do so. All right. But so if you want to get it done, just the easiest thing is to go ahead and book it yourself. So you'll book those appointments online, right here on my website. You can click right here to go to the booking site, or if you want to read what's included for a full video or phone call. That's if you need an appointment that is 30 minutes to an hour and a half. And here explains it's for people with more complex situations, things you need to talk about, family changes, you have investments, you need to talk about those, and we need something longer than a 15-minute appointment. You need to schedule a long call. You get one long call, one long meeting per tax return. Any long call, any need for long calls in addition to that will incur an advisory fee. All right. I do have a missed appointment fee here because I have people missing appointments that I have reserved for other clients or for other work that I could be doing. And so it's kind of not fair to us all when you make an appointment and you either don't show up or you cancel within less than 24 hours notice, or you are more than 30 minutes late for your scheduled appointment time. Those are all considered missed appointments and they incur a fee. For the phone call or video call, for a phone call or video call, for a long one, that's a $35 cancellation fee. It's a smaller fee, cancellation fee for the 15-minute calls. Those are just quick calls if you only think we just need to talk for a few minutes. If you miss that call, the video call, it's just $10 for that. But please, you guys, let's like make an appointment and just be there. All right, let's just be there on time, or cancel them at least within 24 hours notice, so that can free up that time for me to service someone else. My time is so limited these days. Things are just really going great for me in life, and so my time is really limited. So I have to charge these fees uh, because it's just the way things are. All right, I need to know when um, when I can't take other work or when I can't plan to complete other things. All right, full tax appointment is pretty much the same as the full tax in-person appointment. It's pretty much the same. It's more for people who have it's more for people who have complex needs, family changes, investments, small businesses you need to talk about. And here are the 3 days which I stated before: Saturday, February 11th, Saturday, March 18th, and Friday, April 7th. All right. These we will be meeting at the office facility where we meet, which I'll tell you via email, which I have to pay for. So if you miss that appointment, that one's higher. That is a higher missed appointment fee. That one is a $50 fee, and it's the same. Don't give me 24-hour notice cancellation, or you are more than 30 minutes late. There'll be a fee incurred, all right? And then the quick drops are just a 15-minute drop off, same dates as the long tax appointments, same dates. It's just for you to drop off, tell me a few quick little things. And if you miss that one, there's a cancellation fee of $25. So all of the cancellation fees are a little bit different based on the impact they have on my ability to service other clients and to complete work in a timely manner based on interruptions to my schedule. All right, so please, let's just do the best we can to be present when we need to be present. All right, appointments for phone and video are generally available on Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm not accepting new clients this year. Like I said, things are just really, really going great in my life, and I do not have the capacity to take on new clients at this time. So I will not be taking new clients, but I am happy to serve all of my continuing clients. All right. So that is this year. That's what's going on. I've given you dates. I've given you when we're meeting, and just kind of explain some things that we're doing with missed appointment. In the case of missed appointments, again, reiterating to please do not email or text me your sensitive information. I am required by law to protect your data and to protect your information. And when you send it by email, you open us both up to hackers. So please, please use the secure the secure options that I have provided for you. Intuit Link and Box are the most secure. They're more secure than fax. All right. So there we have it. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to catching up and hearing what's going on in life with you this year. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, send me a text message, or go ahead and make an appointment online. Let me clarify one thing. If you don't think we need to make an appointment, if you just think you can send the documents, you can answer the questionnaire, and you can sign your engagement form, and that's pretty much all that you need. I will probably follow up with email questions to you if I need to know anything else. If you think that's all you need, you do not have to make an appointment. All right, we can just work about it that way. And if it turns out that we need an appointment, then we can schedule one then. So it's completely up to you, at your discretion, how you like to move forward. But let's get started. Let's try and get everyone done by the April 18th deadline, April 15th for me. Let's try to get everyone done, unless you have certain investments that are not available until later in the tax year. Let's just try to get them all done so that we don't have taxes hanging over our head after April. If you were one of the people who got really large tax refunds during the pandemic, those are probably coming back down now to their regular amount. So don't plan for super large refunds as you may have received in the last 2 years. All right. I will talk to you soon. Take care.